Next question is, show that integral over c mod z square dz equal to minus 1 plus I, where c is the rectangle with vertices 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1 and 0, 1. First draw a figure. X-axis, y-axis. 0, 0 is origin. Origin 0, 0. Then 1, 0. Then 1, 1. Then 0, 1. Given it is a rectangle. Here, path is from 0, 0 to 1, 0. Therefore, direction is like this. 0, 0 to 1, 0. Then 1, 0 to 1, 1. Then direction is in the upward direction. Then 1, 1 to 0, 1. Then direction is like this. Then 0, 1 to 0, 0. Then the direction is in the downward direction. The direction is very important. Name it as, this is O, A, B, C. OABC is a rectangle with vertices 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1 and 0, 1. We have to evaluate integral over C mod z square dz. What is z? Z is x plus iy. Z is x plus iy. Then dz is dx plus I dy. We know that z equal to x plus iy. Dz is dx plus I dy, taking derivative on both sides. But what is mod z? Modulus of z is root x square plus y square. Then what is mod z square? Which is x square plus y square. Here it is integral over c x square plus y square. What is dz? Dz is dx plus I dy. We have to evaluate this. Integral over c mod z square dz is, it is the summation of four integrals, that is integral along the path OA, then integral along the path AB, then integral along the path BC, then integral along the path CO, which is integral OA mod z square dz plus then integral AB mod z square dz plus then integral BC mod z square dz plus integral then CO mod z square dz. Now we have to do these four integrations, which are first we have to find integral along OA mod z square dz. Integral mod z square is x square plus y square. X square plus y square into dz is dx plus I dy. What is OA? OA is the line segment in the x-axis. What is x-axis? Equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. Here it is y equal to 0. OA is along x-axis, which is a line segment lying in the x-axis. The equation of OA is y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 means dy equal to 0, which is taking derivative on both sides. Y equal to 0 means dy equal to 0. Now we have to substitute y for y equal to 0 and dy equal to 0. Now we get integral x square dx By substituting y equal to 0 and dy equal to 0, we get only x square d integral x square dx. Then we need limit for x only. Here x varies from, what is the limit of x? X varies from 0 to 1. X varies from 0 to 1. Integral 0 to 1. Integral of x square is x cubed by 3. Limit 0 to 1. We get the answer as 1 by 3. Next integration is integral AB mod z square dz equal to, what is integral of integral AB? AB is, what is AB? AB is a line passing through a point in x-axis which is parallel to y-axis. Here x equal to 1. X equal to 1 is a constant. Here x equal to 1, which means x equal to 1 is this equation of the line. It is x equal to 1. Also it is y equal to 0. X equal to 1. AB is x equal to 1. X equal to 1 means dx equal to 0. Derivative equal to 0. Then mod z square is x square plus y square. Dz is dx plus I dy. Now substitute x as 1 and dx as 0. Now we get as integral 1 plus y square x 1 dx 0 I dy. The integration contains only y and dy. What is the limit for y? Y varies from 0 to 1. Y varies from 0 to 1. X equal to 1. Therefore y varies from 0 to 1. Limit 0 to 1. I can be taken outside. What is integral of 1? Y. What is integral of y square? Y cubed by 3. By applying the limit, we get the answer as I into 1 plus 1 by 3, which is equal to 2i by 3. 2i by 3. It is not 2i by 3. 1 plus 1 by 3 is 4 by 3. That is 4i by 3. The answer for the second integral is 4i by 3. Now we have to find third integration, which is mod z square dz integral along BC, which is equal to integral, what is BC? BC is the line like this, BC. What is the equation of BC? Y equal to 1. It is y equal to 1. Equation of BC is y equal to 1. Y equal to 1 means dy equal to 0. By taking derivative on both sides, y equal to 1 means dy equal to 0. What is mod z square? Mod z square is x square plus y square. Dz is dx plus I dy. Now substitute the value of y and dy. Y as 1 and dy as 0, which is equal to integral x square y as 1 dy as 0 dx. Therefore the limit of x we need here. What is the limit of x? X varies from, here the direction is like this. X varies from 1 to 0, not 0 to 1. The direction is like this. Therefore 1 to 0. Then integral of x square is x cubed by 3 plus x 1 to 0. By applying the upper limit and lower limit, we get the answer as minus 1 by 3 minus 1, which is minus 4 by 3. Now we have to find integral along CO mod z square dz. Integral. What is CO? CO is y-axis. CO is a line segment in the y-axis, which means x equal to 0. X equal to 0. X equal to 0 means dx equal to 0. Taking derivative on both sides. X equal to 0 means dx equal to 0. Then mod z square is x square plus y square. dz is dx plus I dy. Then put x as 0 and dx as 0. We get as integral x as 0, dx as 0, y square I dy. I into what is integral of y square? Y cube by 3. Here what is the limit? Integration contains only y and dy. Therefore, the limit for y varies from, here look, y varies from 1 to 0. Direction is in the downward direction. Direction is very important. Here y varies from 1 to 0. 1 to 0. 1 to 0, that is minus I by 3. Then what is integral over C mod z square dz, which is the summation of these four answers, that are 1 by 3 plus 4I by 3 minus 4 by 3 minus I by 3, which is equal to, these two get minus 3 by 3 plus this get 3I by 3 minus 1 plus I, which is our answer, minus 1 plus I. Okay, thank you.